Good morning. Today we just harvested our Huat 1 foot papaya. So this is the 1 foot papaya. You can see how big it is. Let's check out how much it weighs. This is about 2.7 kilos. 2.7 kilos. Very big fruit. Very big. And the flowers, these are the male and female flowers. So these male and female flowers will produce this long fruit, 1 foot papaya, the biggest size. And when it comes to female fruit looks like this. It's a bit round, and then this is the female flower. So all these are the female flower will produce the female round fruit. Let's check how heavy it is. About 2 kilos, more or less 2 kilos. So if you want to get these papaya seeds, do get it from our dealers and partners at your local location. Have a great day.